Hello everyone! I got a small burn on my thumb the other day, so I thought I would record and show you how I treat minor burns using my aloe vera. This video is not intended to be professional medical advice, and I am not a medical professional. What I'll be showing you is based on my own research and what I've found to work well for me. Keep in mind that aloe vera gel is only good for treating minor burns. If you have a serious third-degree burn, it's not going to work. So let's get started. When I get a burn, the first thing I always do is to run it under cool water for 10 to 15 minutes. After I've done that, I go cut off a leaf from my aloe vera plant. The new leaves on aloe vera come from the top, while the older leaves are at the bottom. Therefore, I like to use an old leaf so that I don't interfere with the new growth. In this case, I'm going to use this leaf at the base. It's relatively small, but that's perfect because my burn is also relatively small. I use scissors or just something sharp to cut it off, then I trim off the sharp tip and edges. Now I peel open the leaf so that I can harvest the aloe vera gel more easily. I just use my hands, but you can also use scissors or a knife. Apply the gel on the burn. I usually just do that by grabbing one piece of the leaf and just rub it on my skin. It's going to feel really soothing. I keep the gel on for at least a few minutes, but longer if possible. I've even read articles that say you can keep the gel on with a bandage overnight, though I've never tried that myself. Overall, applying fresh aloe vera gel is a great way to treat minor burns at home, and I've noticed that it really helps to reduce the pain and healing time. I hope you found this video helpful, and see you next time. Bye!